the Globalport Batang Pier came back from as much as 16 down and broke the hearts of the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 114-113 in their 2018 Commissioners' Cup quarterfinals series Tuesday at SMART Araneta Coliseum. The Batang Pier have blown rain or shines twice to beat advantage and have forced a rubber match on Thursday, July 12, at the Mall of Asia Arena. Sophomore guard Jonathan Gray was the man of the match with his third career-best 22 points, with 12 in the final frame alone. Gray was practically the one who have Globalport the win as his corner tray went in with 11 ticks left. Kinick Malcolm White, nalibre, tinira, said Batang Pier head coach Pido Jarencio. Give and take. Kung wala, nakuha nila, talo teo. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, laruan mo naman ako. Bigyan mo ko ng depensa, bigyan mo ko ng score. Sige coach. Sabi niya. Kaya young playing time andon, at the same time nagdeliver. For sure priority nasiya sa rotation. Malcolm White top scored for Globalport with 28 points along with 16 rebounds, while Stanley Pringle almost had a triple-double as he collected 21 points, 9 rebounds, and 9 assists. Sean Anthony chipped in 11 markers. The climb the Batang Pier had to take to emerge victorious had been a tedious one. From a 73-89 deficit late in the third, Globalport zoomed to an 18-2 scoring spree to tie the game at 91-all with 9:36 remaining in the fourth canto. Ras though regained control minutes later as they posted a 106-98 with 4:45 to go. But Globalport was just too wily as they rallied from the deficit to send the game into another deadlock, 110-all, with 1:50 remaining. The Elasto Painters moved just 16 seconds away from the semi-finals, 113-111, but the breaks just didn't go their way. Gray made the booming tray, and the Batang Pier defended Ras well on the other end to preserve the win. Young players talagang, Akonga di ko alam na mananalo kami quipped Jarencio. It's all about the breaks of the game. Reggie Johnson led Ras with 24 points, 15 rebounds, and 7 assists in the loss. Raymond Almazan had a double-double as well with 17 points and 11 rebounds, while James Yap supplied 16 markers in over 18 minutes. Maverick Ahimisi, who missed 3 straight triples inside the final 39 seconds that left the door wide open for Globalport, finished with 15 points and 8 boards. Ed Aquio provided 14 points and 2 steals. According to the league's chief statistician Fidel Manganan, Globalport is now 1 win away from becoming the 4th 8th-seeded team to topple the top-ranked team in the quarterfinals after Powerade vs BMEG in 2012 Philippine Cup, San Miguel Beer vs TNT in 2002 Governor's Cup, and Barangay Ginebra vs Mobiline in 1999 All-Filipino Cup. The scores. Globalport 114, White 28, Gray 22, Pringle 21, Anthony 11, Ellard 7, Taha 6, Tochuit 6, Javelona 4, Hispinas 3, Ginto 3, Tang 3, Aranu 0. Rain or Shine 113, Johnson 24, Almazan 17, Yap 16, Ahimisi 15, Dakwiog 14, 210, Norwood 9, Belga 8, Torres 0. Quarter scores 24-26, 52-60, 83-91, 114-113.